Welcome to our channel, my friends. In this video we will inform you about BELLA KAMP, where you will enjoy camping in the sea together in Istanbul. In this content, you can find answers to many questions such as where BELLA KAMP is, how to get there, entrance fees and camp times. You can also support us online by subscribing to our channel. It is located in a 20-acre green area, which is an ideal escape point for those looking for peace and 1 hour away from Istanbul, and the surrounding fenced areas are a reliable area. You can have a unique experience where you can camp against the sea in the shade of pine trees. You can enjoy the camp by passing through the house, from a place that is a 5-minute walk from the beach. There are bungalow houses in the camp, a large area for accommodation in the tent, a common kitchen, shower, sink, table, chair, refrigerator, electricity and guest parking services. They serve every season of the year with various events and musical feasts by the campfire in the evenings. When we look at BELLA KAMP accommodation preferences, comprehensive accommodation options are among the primary reasons why BELLA KAMP is preferred by campers throughout the season. At the campsite, you can benefit from both your own and the company's accommodation facilities. You can come to the facility with your own tent, or you can rent the tents allocated by the business for the guests. Likewise, you can stay in the facility with your own or business caravans. Even if you are fond of luxury and comfort, you can stay in wooden bungalow structures. If your vehicle is available, you can also choose vehicle-mounted tents. In order to provide a comfortable stay at the facility, services such as kitchen, shower, sink, hot water, electricity, internet connection, refrigerator, table, chair, restaurant, parking lot and barbecue area are offered. You can also benefit from services such as tea or coffee in the teapot. BELLA KAMP 2023 prices are per night, and payments are only made by debit card and credit card. As common areas of use, there are shower, wash basin, electrical socket usage areas, refrigerators and an area for washing dishes. Entrance with your own tent is 250 TL per person, 0-6 years old is not charged, 6 to 12 years old is 50% discount. Between 9 a.m. and 12 a.m., guests can enter with their own tents. It is between 2 or 3 p.m. for checkout. If you rent a tent from the facility, there is a fee of 700 TL for 2 people. Tent comfort is quite good. Inside the tents, sponge, sheet, blanket, quilt and pillow are provided. In tent rentals, you can come to the area early and spend time at 1 o'clock at the check-in time. The pickup time for the tents is 12 noon, but you can spend some more time in the area. The bungalow houses are for 2 people and there are shower, sink, double bed, single bed, fireplace and mini bar. You can barbecue and spend time on the balcony in front of the bungalow. The price is 1750 TL and you pay 2800 TL with 20% discount instead of 3500 TL for 2 nights accommodations. It is 500 TL to enter with your own caravan, and there is an extra 150 TL fee per person. The caravan park area belongs only to the guests who come with their caravan. Tent and caravan area are in different places. There is a water and electricity section where you park your caravan, and you can use these services free of charge. Caravan entry time is between 9 a.m. and 12 a.m. Checkout time is between 2 and 3 p.m. Don't forget to book your place before you come with your caravan. Accommodation in the caravan facility for 2 people is 2000 TL per night, and you pay 3600 TL with 20% discount instead of 4000 TL for 2-night accommodations. Shower, sink, mini bar, there is an area for cooking and sockets. Basto is available as heating and ventilation of the caravan. You can barbecue and spend time in the front of the caravan. Vehicle top tent is 500 TL. Tent and vehicle top areas are in different places. There is a water and electricity section where you park on the vehicle, and you can benefit from these services free of charge. The daily entrance fee is 100 TL per person and you can use the shower, sink, refrigerator, and socket areas. Where is Bella Kamp and how to get there? The facility, which is approximately 1 hour away from Istanbul, can be reached by both private vehicles and public transportation vehicles. If you are coming by public transport, take the 139 Üsküdar Safiler Village Yet line departing from Üsküdar. Get off at the Dogansalai village stop, enter the street next to Tilby Pension, and after 50 meters you will reach Bella Kamp on the left. If you are coming with your own vehicle, on the way from Sekmeköy, follow the Safiler sign and after 11 kilometers turn to Dogansalai location. Enter the street next to Tilby Pension. After 50 meters you will reach Bella Kamp on the left. The facility is fenced, and you can park your vehicles with peace of mind. Also, be aware that weekends are busy. Bella camping food and barbecue. There is a mixed breakfast and daily meal service in the camping area. Per person is charged. In addition to this, if you wish, tea or coffee services are also available. You can light your own barbecue, or if you wish, you can request barbecue service from the facility. Sackwood prices are 150 TL. Fire bucket is 100 TL. If you want to barbecue, you can rent an empty barbecue for 40 TL and a burnt barbecue for 150 TL. Bella Kamp activities. You can also try many fun activities in the establishment where you can stay comfortably. After party, birthday, barbecue party, marriage proposal and dinner organizations are organized at the facility to make your special days valuable. In addition, you can spend peaceful time with your pet as you wish. You can also do activities such as trekking, cycling, volleyball, yoga and sightseeing in Bella Kamp, where you will discover nature. How is Bella Camping Beach? The sea is 5 minutes walking distance from the camping area and sometimes it can be very wavy, so it is definitely worth checking the wind strength in case of weather. However, you can go to the sea comfortably in sunny weather. There are no special places for the camp on the beach. Bella Kamp contact information is phone 0537 677 82 88. Address Saho Boya Sokak, No. 25, Dogansalai/LE. You can make a reservation and get information on the phone or WhatsApp line. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of our video. Do not forget to leave your questions and opinions about this beautiful camp in the comments section. You can also thank us by subscribing to our channel. We wish everyone a good time.